the tasks 4, which is about the mail merge. Now we're gonna be continuing our work for this specimen, and the tasks 4, which is about the mail merge. So right now we have 2 files that needs to be used. We have the interview as well as the candidates. So I have already prepared the files that I have. It's here. So this is what you will need. So basically you need to open first the RTF file, because this is the main document that you will have. Is all the informations will be attached later on from the CSV file. So here's the thing we have. So there are some areas like chevrons, like we have to replace them with the data coming from the CSV files or file. So now the file is already open, and here it says that on that master document, which is this one right now, we need to replace the date. So just highlight this particular portion that we have right now, then you need to go to insert, and there you have to find the date and time. But the most appropriate method for that one is going to the quick parts and go to the field, press letter D twice so that you can be on this particular date format. You can choose the format. If there's a specific format, then you have to follow. So it says that DD 4M and 4Y. So basically it's a full name of the month. So we have to select this one right now, the DD 4M and YYY 4Y. So that you will have there. So you may seems to ask why not from here. It may work, but for me I always do that one there, so that when I show the codes, the code for that, it will basically show up the informations that they need, this particular thing right now here. So to activate that one, you have to press Alt F9 to see the thing. So I already have done it, and it says that you need to take a screenshot of that particular evidence on a screenshot area as the evidence for this particular question, showing the format code, place and screenshot in the evidence. So we have done an evidence document already before, so we can skip that one, but right now just to show you again, pressing Alt F9 on your keyboard will give you this one here. So what you will do is just simply, of course, just do the snipping tool for that, this one here, and somehow just press this one into, or put this one in your evidence document, especially this part here. Alright, let's proceed and skip. Now in the master document, maintain the existing space, formatting and punctuations, and replace the chevrons and the text in each time they appear with the following merged fields from the data source. So now it's time for us to get our data source, which is the candidate. So what you should do right now is go to mailings here, and you would go to the select recipients. So you just have to go to the use an existing list, because you already have the list available, which is already on the desktop, and then we have it on our SF mail merge. So just click this one here. Make sure the data is not open in Excel, or else it will not work. Click open, and you will have this particular options. Just click OK for that one, because that's not an Excel file. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot to bring back the data into the original state. So Alt F9 again. So the information is already available. If you look at the edit recipients, we can see that the names are already available here, because we already link it from the recipients that we have. So that's the first thing we have to do, and then after that one, we have to replace those informations as they appear. So all these things here, the TLE with the title, so we have to have it here. So go now to the option for the insert merge fields, and click title, spacebar, L name means the last name, so just go to the last name and simply erase those things, because we don't need it anymore. Make sure there's a space between here, because we don't want that it will be attached to each other. Alright, level, probably, yes, level, as well as the job. So the job is the position, so level right now, click this one here, and if you observe there is a comma, so make sure to keep it. And here, job part, just click this one here and just go to position as what is this, the corresponding word for the job. Time, TME. So just take a look as they appear. I guess they are in order, so it's gonna be the time here, followed by comma again. Alright, in here APTTP APPT, so interview day. So click this one here and go to the interview day. Click it again, erase, and then the lin, I don't know what's that lin for, length. So click this one here and go with the excuse me, length. So another method of doing that one is actually you can simply highlight this first before you just you know, go to the insert merge field, so that you don't have to you know, backspace all the time. So C person is the contact person, so contact person, but put back the dot or the full stop because there was, but I erase it. Pay for wage, space bar, what's that, probation, here we go, month, and then org, basically organization, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, a trainer. Alright, so it's the trainer, so click this one here and choose the word trainer. Duration probably, yes. Followed with the ST date, probably start date, if there is, or start would say, yeah. And then the ending date, we have the end. So make sure to erase the chevron, we don't need that one. And is there anything else left? So I think we have replaced everything that is needed to be replaced, and as it says there, you need to just make sure to erase and keep the formatting spacing that's needed, which we did, and to just replace the text at the chevron itself. So everything is fine right now, so we have done our part on that particular question. Replace the text candidate name with your name, so basically you just have to go here and replace it with your name. So alright, let's replace it with your name. Include your name, center number, candidate number in the footer of the document. So right now you just have to double click this one here because you don't specify exactly where to put that one in the footer. So just make sure that your name, candidate number, and center number must be there. So I'll just have to copy paste this for now. Save and print the master document. So basically what you will do, you just simply go to Control P for that, and of course just print that one to show all these things right now that has been replaced. Now set an automated filter to select the records where the technical area is digital and the level is 3 or more. So right now if I will go to the mailing and see the preview, so I will see a lot of those things, all those guys that is actually on the list on these recipients will be there. But the objective is basically not to show everything except these particular options. The technical area is digital, so go to the edit recipients and go to the filter. So go to the area where they want this thing here, technical area, and equal to what they are asking for. So just they want digital area, so just click OK. There you go. So we have now at least 4 records. The level is 3 or more, so we just go to the level 3 or more. So basically to remove this number 2 here, so go to filter again, then add and then you go to level and equal to, you will go now to greater than or equal to 3. Click OK. Wow, I have to do it twice, what's wrong? Now we have those informations needed, and that's it. Now place in your evidence document the screenshot to show your selection method. So this particular thing, go to filter and bring it here a little bit probably, and then take screenshot for both just to show that particular method that you have done. This will be enough, but just to show these things as well, at least they know that you have only 3 informations that is being shown right now. Then after that, merge and print the letters for the selected applicants only. So you finish and merge, then go to edit individual documents and click all. Then you will open a new Word, Microsoft Word right now, which is called letters 1. So if you zoom out, you can see that you have now 3 documents, three papers, which is for each individual, which are true to be digital, and the level is 3 or more. So these are the three guys that they are expecting to show up in the printout. Save and close the file. That will do for that particular questions about mail merging. That's it for the video tutorial of SPECIMEN 2020 mail merge part. I hope that you understand it. If you do, please hit the like button, and if you have comments, clarifications, don't bother to add in the comment sections. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe the button, click the button there, so that we can build our community here. And it's an educational video, so please care to share. See you around next time, guys. Ciao.